Good morning, a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Children,
morning,
now
ma'am.
listen. Now listen, I'm not going to paste a Google Form link right now in the classroom. First, I will present my screen. I will explain you the full Google Form, how you need to attempt it, and then I will paste it into the classroom. So don't ask for the link. Ma'am, link. No, ma'am is going to explain you first, and then ma'am will post it in the classroom. Nishwa, when you enter the class, please finish it off everything, whatever you are doing right now. So I'm going to present my screen. I will explain you all the questions which are there in the Google form today. Please attempt it in that way only. Otherwise, if you write anything else, it will not accept, because whatever the answers are here in the Google form, it will accept that only. So this is the Google form. Question number A.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your presentation.
My presentation is not visible, students.
No, ma'am, it's clearly visible.
Dania, refresh your classroom or log out or log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
A 50 rupee note can be exchanged for 50 rupee note. Suppose I am having a 50 rupee note, can be exchanged for how many 20 rupee notes you will get, and how many 10 rupee note you will get when you exchange this 50 rupee note. You will get two 20 rupee notes and one 10 rupee note, or you will get one 20 rupee note or four 10 rupee note, or you will get two 20 rupee note or two 10 rupee note, or you will get three 20 rupee note or one 10 rupee note. So whichever the option is correct, please click the option. Question number B. How many 50 rupee notes could be exchanged for 500 rupee note? Suppose you have a 5 rupee note, 500 rupee note, and when you are getting it exchange and you are getting all the 50 rupee note in the exchange of 500, how many 50 rupee note you are getting when you are exchanging a 500 rupee note? So only write how many notes you are getting, 10, 20, 30, 40, that number. Don't put the rupee sign. Why? Because I have not put, because you children don't have a rupee sign in your laptop. If you write RS, some children write RS in short, some will write capital. So that's why I have removed the sign. But when you physically give the exam, it is compulsory to put the sign. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Only write, wait, Vishnu. Only write the number of notes you will get. 10 notes, 20 notes, 30 notes. Only write the number. Not note spelling also. Am I clear to you all here? Two questions are clear how to attempt.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Means
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Means that how many notes of 50 makes 500?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vishnu.
can you send the link again?
I have not sent the link right now, because if you have joined on time, you know what we are doing. I have not sent the link. I'm explaining the Google form. Then I will post the link. Question number C. Solve 97 multiply by 5. Which child is saying what? 97 multiply by 5. So you need to multiply it in your notebook and write the final answer in the Google form. Don't put comma also. If you put comma, it will not accept. Then go to add. Add it in your notebook. Write the final answer. Don't put the rupee sign. Don't put space. But put decimal. It is compulsory. If your answer is coming in decimal, put decimal also. But don't put rupee sign and don't put space anywhere. Don't put comma also. Subtract. Subtract it only same the way you are doing addition, same subtraction. Don't put rupee sign. Don't put the full sum, only write the final answer, the difference, whatever is your difference, write that along with
Ma'am,
the decimal sign. Yes.
ma'am, in even how to subtract.
Subtract it in your notebook and write the final answer only in the Google form. F1 you will not face any difficulty because the options are given. G also you will not face any difficulty. H1. H1 also solve it with the column method in your notebook. Write the final answer here in the Google form. Don't put comma. I1 you will not face any difficulty because you need to click the option. J. J1 also write the final answer and don't put
So,
comma.
Excuse me,
show
ma'am.
you that the column method.
Show me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, in the G1 you said that it was written that solve it in your notebook and show it to your teacher. So we
Yes.
need to do.
Moksh was also asking the same thing. You solve it in your notebook. Click picture of the column method only, and when I will post the link, at that link attach your this work.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
J1. If Amit spent two 500 notes and 600 notes on birthday party, so how much total he is spending? Find the total. Only write the total answer. Don't put comma. A man buys Diwali card of rupees 850 and sell that at a profit of rupees this. Find a selling price. Don't write SP equals to this. No. Only write the answer. Don't put rupee sign. Find the principal here. You will not face any difficulty because the answers are given in the options. So only thing is not put comma, not put rupee sign. Don't put space. Only write the final answer. Am I clear to you all?
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
There are 11 question, 11 to 12 question, but it is of 20 marks. Some questions are of 2 marks and some are of 1 mark. Questions are 12.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to post this link in the classroom, as well as I will post this in the chat box also. Children, it's posted. Refresh your classroom, please. I'm going to post it here also in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, when I'm going in the link, so my camera is getting off, so it's okay.
Okay, I'll take a note of it. Rest of the students, I'm requesting you to please sit with your camera.
And ma'am, my also is the same. When I go to the Google form, my camera gets automatically off.
Ma'am, mine also. Ma'am, mine also.
Are you all doing? Kashvi, sit properly. Kashvi. Everyone is doing? Okay. Any confusion to any child? Yes or no, students?
Ma'am,
Which child told ma'am?
at in the that na we have to send the column method in the that we have sent it in the classroom?
Yes, yes. Attach the picture of your column method there.
Okay. Ma'am, where we have to attach that?
Where I have sent the link of this Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
And please, after submitting the Google form, do it as mark as done. Otherwise, it will show you're missing. Please do it mark as done. Any confusion to any child till now? Rajvi Lahoti only submitted.
Ma'am, the 10th question is number 10 question.
Nishwa. Nishwa is there in the class. Nishwa, turn on your mic and camera. Nishwa, please turn on your camera and mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishwa, in one of the question you have H question, you have put the comma. That's why
Yes.
your marks are not coming. So please remember, as I told you, not to put the comma. I will check it manually. I will update your marks.
Yes.
Mute your mic now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the H1 find the product by column method, it's written that solve it in your notebook and show it to your teacher. So I have to show you now or afterward?
I've already explained that you need to click the picture and attach your work in the classroom today,
Okay, ma'am.
where I've posted the CT link.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The H1 I thought we have to write the whole plus it and I didn't write simply the answer.
As I told, no, only write the direct answer in the. Let me check. Which is your H1?
Yes.
Let me check in the sheet what you have written. Okay, I'm correcting your answer. I'm giving you marks. Let me check.
Ma'am,
H is
two more are like, but I forgot you said don't write rupees.
two more or also like this.
Yes.
Wait. Tell me which two more.
J and K.
Okay, J and K. So your 6 marks will be added in this. So you got 20 out of 20.
Yes.
Let me see. J is of how much? Yes, and K is of 2 marks. So H, J, and K. So I'm adding your 6 marks in my sheet. Your marks are 20 now.
All of these, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
I updated in my sheet. If you can see your scores also, maybe your scores, it will show updated scores. You just refresh your form and see the scores. I will check it manually also, don't worry. But as I already given you instructions, so please do accordingly.
Ma'am, in the first one there are two answers.
In the first one, there is only one answer, Bacha. Check it properly. Students, only 7 minutes are left. Please do it fast. And those who have completed their CET, they please start writing the tables in your revision notebook. Please write tables in your revision notebook. Take out your revision notebook and write tables from 12 to 15. 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ma'am, the snake one is. Excuse me, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, it is Vishruth.
Yeah, Vishnu, tell me.
In my second answer, how many 50 rupees note can be exchanged for 500? So I have written the answer. It is
Wrong. It's wrong.
Point comma kind.
I got the sheet, Vishnu. Your this answer is wrong.
Ma'am, but D1 D1 is right and it is telling that answer
Then
same.
yeah, let me check the D1.
Yes, ma'am. How is the snake?
Your D1 is right. Your D1 is right. I'll give you marks. But I have already explained, don't put the sign. I don't know why you children don't listen at one go.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
you have to put the pointer in the between.
Yes, decimal is compulsory to put.
Okay.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic, Vihan. Those who have submitted their CET, please write tables in your revision notebook from 12 to 15. Dhyan Patel, Vishrut, Nishwa, Niva, write tables.
I'm
Moksh, write
writing
tables
tables.
from 12 to 15. Anay, write tables. Manya submitted. Manya, where you lost your 2 marks? Okay, I can see here you have not put the 0 on question number E. Mute your mic, Vishrut. Yes, Manya, can you turn on your camera now because your CET is done? Those who have completed the CET, they can sit with the camera on now. Anay, sit with your camera on, please. Manya, that I will check manually. You have not put the 0 at the back, right? In one of the questions. E, I think.
Ma'am, I didn't saw that.
Because I have complete sheet with me. I can check everyone's answer.
Ma'am, in the H1 I have written the right answer.
E.
And H is also wrong, but
Let me check. H is wrong, yours.
but in my answer it was coming the same answer.
No, yours is H is wrong. I think your marks are deducted there only, 2 marks.
Ma'am, what?
You score 2 less marks, no? You score only 18 marks out of
Yes,
20.
ma'am.
As I already told, here are few questions of 1 marks and few questions are of 2 marks. So I need to check where you have lost the 2 marks because your H is wrong. Your column method is wrong. Mute your mic, please.
Can you see mine?
I will check manually and I will update your marks. If any confusion, any there, I will check once. I will check manually. I will update the sheet in the classroom. Only 2 minutes are less. Please complete it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my all answers are correct and also it's showing wrong.
I know you. The thing which I have explained in the earlier, then you have done the same mistake. No worry. I will check it manually and update with your marks.
Okay, ma'am.
I will check after the class manually.
The rough work we full rough work we have to send in the CT.
No, only column method.
Only column method. Okay, ma'am.
And your answer sheet will be updated very soon in the classroom so that you can see your updated marks.
Ma'am, in the answer, by mistake, I forgot to put the 0. So, in the column method, the answer got wrong.
Not in the column method. Column method, the complete answer is wrong. In another question, you have forgot to mention the 0.
No, ma'am, but in
It is a decimal question where you forgot to mention the 0.
ma'am,
And
in column method also, in 30 multiplied by 100, I put as a 300, but it could come
okay,
as a
we
3000.
cannot discuss the answer right now. Okay, no problem. I will check it manually also. Once I will check, I will update your answer sheet in the classroom so that you can see your updated marks. Clear, everyone? Okay, thank you, students. Those who are doing, please stay and complete.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.